starting lineup on the side of the Lady Falcons, Agaysay Tudao, Dote Nitura, ang pagbabalik niya after missing that game number 1 dito sa ating quarterfinals. Mordi, Segi, as well as etong si Manuel sa kabilang panig naman. The usual suspects, the Lieses twins will be part of the starting 6 as well as Katarig. So mukhang coming off the bench muli etong Pizza dito po sa Shakey's. Set number 1 underway. Again, this came off a 5-setter match kung saan nagwagi po itong College of St. Benilde. Katarig nailing that one through early here in set 1.
But on the other side, on the bright side, I would say, Clyde Katarig is starter and being a substitute for Coach Jerry.
Oh naman, oh. Itong si Clyde, no, yung dinidescribe natin as the nonchalant for CSB. But in that sequence,
first attempt, Daphne, no, medyo loose ang block. But that time, that was a well-timed block.
And that, nakabante po ng isang puntos. Itong Lady Falcons. Zam Nolasco, their top scorer. And even our top blocker in the tournament as of the moment. Mordi with her second point.
It's a smart play coming from Mordi. Just getting that ball through the smaller blocker in Chene Basarte.
Adamson with a 3-point lead right now. One-hand save galing kay Mordi. Magkakaroon ng tsansa. Itong Lady Blazers, Basarte to Nolasco.
Great defense there.
Mordi tipping the ball over immediately. 3 points. So, reverse setup. Oh, access denied.
Zamani timeout.
And this block is brought to you by Peri Peri Charcoal Chicken and Sauce Bar. Order
So kahapon, kaya kulang sila at perfect timing ang paglalaro ni Shai. Daphne and Rhea.
Thank you, Danny. And at least may green light na, no?
Yep.
Itong si Shai Nitura to play in this crucial game. Block point naman this time.
That wala silang coverage. And the Adamson is really, they're doing a good job.
Agaysay, pero Dote read well with JP Yude is more of a young lineup. Kung saan kahit yung mga second stringers nila, mga incoming rookies pa lang sa kanya. So, they'll be able to have quality minutes and time in their UAAP set for sure. But nagkaroon ng service error at ngayon may block point naman ang Lady Falcons.
Clyde mean for that set, slow and steady, Daphne, no? Parang she just had to of the Lady Falcons on that attack.
Yun nga, no? Parang ang challenge naman dito for Benilde is not just a Katarig, but here on the other hand, way too low with that attack naman. Galing to,
kung hindi mo makukuha sila sa, may iiwan sila ng isang block, kunin mo na lang sila sa kamay.
Mordi on the other hand, every time she attacks, parang napapako yung mga paa nila.
Yep. But a little miscommunication.
Right after that attack, she served.
Ooh.
Meanwhile, that response.
The Blazers. Kasi nga, like, lagi nating nababanggit, Daphne, no, nababasa na sa blockers ng Adamson.
Meanwhile, si Dote naman. Back to a 6-point game here in the opening set. Down the line, guarded by Mordi. Shiny Tura off the blockers.
Again, just really trying to outsmart the defense of CSB.
Opportunity once more for Benilde. That up, galing kay Gam, buhay pa rin. Basarte to Inocente the second time. Ensuring she'll...
That's what she did exactly on that last sequence.
Chin, back sets, choosing Clyde Katarig. That's what she...
Attack. Again, over tao for her. Overpass.
mabubuhayan pa at bibigyan pa ng tsansa. Itong Benilde. Yeses to Yeses. Nope. Mordi. Better back row defense. Nitura will be setting up to Abby Segi.
Great defense there.
Yeses once more.
Oh,
Speaking of that coverage that needs to be addressed on the side of the Lady Falcons. Sort of a rally happened there, but Mordi with her second block point para sa side ng Adamson, taking set number 1. By Shakey's from era to era to era, the fun keeps rolling. 50 years of fun, family, and pizza here at Shakey's. Set number 2 underway.
exciting starters in set number 1, Daphne, no, but we have the all-2-player rule. So that's a great mix. And just like that, back-to-back points for that in set number 1.
Kalat na puntos, no? May puwa ka, meron ka pang badyon na agad nagbibigay na ambag. What a dig. Galing kay Basilio Densing. Just tipping the ball. That play was brought to you by Kick, powered by Smart Our Way, Our Rules. Download the app now. 6 consecutive points para sa Zen. Combination play. Erupting at the right.
Combination play of Aya Densing. Despite that triple block in
Over-received. Ang ipinakita ni Aya Densing noong panalong yun. Also coming off the bench. Pero ito yung case courtesy of Juris. Gatigan, Basilio, Puwa naman. May push, pero nandun si Bartolome. Access denied. Sabi ng mga hangin, no? Pag dating nitong second stringers for the CSB. Knocking that one down.
of Pua.
This school play is brought to you by R&B Milk. The order now.
You want to get a deadlock here, and also if you're CSB, you want to maintain that lead.
Again, CSB Lady Blazers, 4-time NCAA champions, but Barrera, they were able to create a 9-1 run. And ngayon, 6 na puntos ang hinahabol nila. Pero San Nolasco says, nope.
Exactly, that set was going to Shai Nitura.
That block is brought to you by Peri Peri Charcoal Chicken and Sauce Bar. Order now. Zam Nolasco has been under the system of Coach Jerry Yee since high school. Also played for KMS. Battle at the net. They go to Bordy. Escaping the blockers.
The Lady Falcons there, although hindi ganun ka taas yung set, hindi ganun ka
Benilde. Zen this time goes to Ashley Esses.
That time, a better, just trying to show yung ano yung pinapakita talaga nila, ano yung laro nila, whereas yung Adamson, they're just, parang hindi nila nakukuha yung tempo nila, so yun yung gusto nila.
Courtesy of their setter, Zen Basilio. Why, she's given this minute sa ating set number 2. Want to play, di po pwede. Ashley Esses nailing that one through. Zen choosing Aya. The push will give a second opportunity for Benilde. Ashley Esses says it will end right now.
Way of the Lady Falcons there and banning the offense for the Lady Blazers.
25-15, CSB Lady Blazers stealing set number 2. Nitura and 4 para kay Segi. This set is brought to you by Shakey's. From era to era to era, the fun keeps rolling. 50 years of fun, family, and pizza at Shakey's. So during round number 2, nung last game lang kontra UP naglaro itong si Shai Nitura for the Lady Falcons.
They really need to polish that going up against this set.
So more opportunities na nangyari dito sa side ng Lady Falcons. And slamming that one home was Abby's.
Great activation or rather combination play on that Abby Segi attack.
Seo agrees that it was not their best showing. Kaya naman daw sana, pero mukhang di talaga para sa amin yung game na yon, she said. Seo also shared that they trained yesterday to
Going here in set number 3 after taking that point the second time around. Opportunity for Benilde. That push wouldn't work. Nitura on the other hand, sharp angle. In the mind of UST right now, no, pati ng NU. Literal na nanonood na lang, nakaabang sino makakalaban nila. Pero ito si Den.
That familiar Aya Densing attack. Gumagalaw pa yung block.
Pumupuntos. Itong si Shai Nitura. Get up. Almost a block point there.
Yep.
Clear to Shai. Chin choosing Lieses. Nice defense. Escaping all defenders. Itong si Shai Nitura.
You can see the versatility of Shai Nitura still powering through that attack.
Combination play. Fresh routine. Again, it is the Adamson Lady Falcons who got this twice to beat advantage, but
Establish ng offense. Oh, great serve.
Zen to Zam. This spike is brought to you by Potato Corner, world's best flavored fries. Order now.
Talking about
You with 15 points in today's game. Great read at the net, almost a miscommunication there for Adamson. Zen choosing Zam. Sagaysay with a push, wise move.
smart scrambling na yung defense ng CSB at the front row.
Palo. Or those drops instead of those high balls.
Yep. That's exactly how you should respond to. Looking at their aura, their body language here at set number 2, it's as if a little.
Just 2 points for the Lady Falcons to secure itong ating set number 3. Zen choosing Inocentes. Morty was there for that defense. What a dig from behind. Then Singh setting it up. Morty from behind. Again, we were tied with 1 set apiece earlier. Adamson looking to finish this already for 3rd set as Shai Nitura will be scoring another
To finally end things here at set number 3. Again, that usual deadly attack of Nitura from Adamson.
3rd set will go on the side of the Lady Falcons. That's 25-16. Blazers. Then Singh. Segi from the right pin. Just really various angles there para dito kay Aya. Chin goes to Bartolome.
Exciting switch of lineup here for
Lieses, Ash with 8. Then Singh with 8 as well. And Nolasco with 7. Top scorers on the other hand para sa side ng Benilde.
time na mabibigyan siya ng set, nakukuha niya yung point.
Ikaw CSB, no? Ayaw mong mapunta sa wala. Yung pinaghirapan nyo, knowing na na-push nyo sa limit. Nice up. Galing kay Dorog. Faye to Shai. Access denied by Zam Nolasco.
The commitment of Zam Nolasco on that block. You just really have to give that one to her.
This block is brought to you by Peri Peri Charcoal Chicken and Sauce Bar. Order now. CSB back to a 1-point lead for them. That read coming from Chin. From the right pin was Densing. That push read well by the back defense. Sinalba ni Nitura at si Tudao naman.
Bartolome on that. Shai Nitura was already out as an option on that rally. Daphne
Son on top here by a single point. Sharp service from Shai. Then Singh was denied with a triple blockers. Binalik din kay Kai. Fade to third to down.
Falcons.
This school play is brought to you by R&B Milk Tea, ordered now.
The two-man attackers for CSB.
Overreceived Dote. Taking advantage.
Was Dote after that Abby Segi attack.
8 points. Basarte to Nolasco with that drop. What a save coming from Claire. Down the line guarded. Chance once more for the Lady Falcons. More the adjusting. Basarte goes to Nolasco. Fortunately, that ball back to a 2-point deficit. Makahabol pa kaya itong CSB. Chin goes to Ash in that sequence. Meanwhile, that activation on
Nova Sagaysay.
Basarte to Bartolome. That read though coming from Sagaysay. Off the blockers para kay Abby Segi.
That really boosted the confidence of Adamson.
Zen will be inserted in here for the Lady Blazers. Crucial role for her and also crucial error there for Morty.
Ping in points at the most crucial time.
Zen goes to Kai. Sent back. Coverage was present. They go to the right pin by Densing. Morty, high ball. Reverse setup, babalik kay Densing. Ibinalik din ang bola. Chansa sa Lady Falcons. Third to down on the other hand.
You can
Biggest lead here in set number 4, already at 5. 3 points meanwhile away. Itong Adamson Lady Falcons. A quick shout out sa family niya as well from Bacolod. Segi.
I think she was Falcons.
Zen choosing Zam. And she will redeem that point for Benil.
Was Zam Nolasco.
This school play is brought to you by R&B Milk Tea, order now. Sagaysay choosing Morty. Coverage courtesy of Shai Nitura. Basilio Tulieses. This could be a long one. But nope. Says Shai Nitura as she'll be bringing
CSB. It's do or die this rally.
Sapienza. Basilio choosing Lieses with that cross court. Great dig as always coming from Juris. Nolasco.
The Blazers and will definitely not give up without a fight.
2 match point save para sa side ng Lady Blazers. Timeout.
And Sagaysay all together inside the court.
Nitura from behind. Gandang basa. Nitura will be setting it up. Dito kay
Chance
Morty
ball.
with a push. Basilio Tulieses. Another chance. Ash adjusting. But lot of reassurance here coming from her ates, from Zen, from Fiona. For our final scores, 18-25, 25-18, 15-25, 25-16, and 25-22. Nagwagi po ang Adamson Lady Falcons.